Hi, we're True Places, and we believe that the best moments in life are just outside your door. Moments spent connecting with family and friends, or just enjoying some time to yourself, wherever those moments are for you. We were sick of putting up with low-quality, uncomfortable chairs that we just end up throwing out. So we set out to make a better chair that fits the way we live today. Introducing the new True Places folding chair. Using advances in design and engineering to create remarkable comfort you can carry anywhere life takes you. Using new patent-pending folding technology, we created an ultra-comfy seat that stays taut, no more sagging or pinching, with optimal ergonomic angles for maximum comfort that you won't want to get out of, even after sitting for hours. Designed with aerospace-grade lightweight aluminium and an ultra-strong outdoor fabric, our chair will stand the test of time. The True Places folding chair is also incredibly lightweight and portable. You can even connect two to carry both backpack style. We built True Places with a focus on sustainability too. The convenient carrying bag is made from recycled plastic bottles, and the lightweight aluminium frame is endlessly recyclable. We've included a host of additional features to make the time you spend in your chair really enjoyable. There's a convenient hook for the carrying bag, a bottle opener located under each arm, and a cup holder that can move from the right side to the left. After all, lefties need some love too. Our world-class manufacturing partner is ready to go, and with your support, we can start running production with delivery next spring. Your pledge today helps bring True Places to life. We created the True Places folding chair because we wanted to better enjoy life just outside our doors, and we can't wait to share it with you. Thank you for your support.